Hi there, Loy Machedo. Sweeney from LoyMachedo.com, who's Loy Machedo and Think Personal Branding. The date is 15th April 2018. Time right now is 10:23 in the morning. Okay, I got this question from someone who's requested anonymity, so I'll keep it anonymous. So it says, "Hi Loy, I would like for you to not say my name in the video, please. Do not mention the background info in the video." He has given the background info, so I'm not mentioning that as well. Okay, so he says, "Hello Loy. Although I do not share or understand most of the issues that your other clients or prospective clients face and job hunting and whatnot, there's nothing to understand. It's just simple. People have a problem. They want a solution, they come to me, and that's about it. So it's more like if they want a resume, they say, "Please, can you help me with the resume?" And they want interview skills, they say, "Please help me with interview skills." If it is a relationship, if it is confusing, or if they want someone who give them a mature insight or a different perspective, I'm not saying I'm mature, but a different perspective. So that's why they come to me. But predominantly it is related to personal branding, number one, resume, job hunting, interview skills, and the other thing where I do get a big chunk of money is personal problems, because I deal with things in a very different way, so they come to me. Okay, I do have a question for you right now. I'm a 17-year-old. Well, you're pretty young. 17 is, when I was 17, I just wanted to have fun. Come on. Okay, I'm about to enter university. Ooh, pretty fun. It's the funnest fun time of your life, so enjoy. I cannot decide between law or business. Ooh. All I can tell you is law is pretty technical in nature. You have to know the legalities, you have to know the articles, you have to know subcategories. You know, you have to go by the book. And when you're talking about law, it is like going into medical. If this is a thumb and this is a forefinger, you can't call this, you know, a finger and this is a thumb. No, it has to be A, B, C, D, E, F, G. It has to be A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, that's law. It has to be exactly how it is. The only thing about law is you'd enter being a lawyer, where you know different conditions, sub-conditions, playing with words, playing with deals, contracts. You try to find loopholes. You manipulate the way you convince and put forth your argument, how you bring in evidence and win a case. So law is very technical in nature. Business, on the other hand, is just to give you a preview of business management, all vague stuff. It is just knowledge. Nothing that you learn in business you can actually apply into business. It's more like you'd learn on Maslow's theory of hierarchy. You'd learn about types of management styles, and it's just knowledge gathering, just basic information that you can get on Google, and that's about it. So it's not like if you know business, you're going to be better in business, nothing like that. And if you do want to succeed in the corporate world, studying business, unless and until you graduate from an Ivy League university or you're top notch, you're really up there, only then you'll be entertained by multinational companies. Or you would really have to have an impressive track record, that is in terms of performance. So that, once again, has nothing got to do with your degree. However, they would want you to at least have an MBA. And today an MBA is declining in its value. You'd have to go for something really big. Okay, so that's the difference between law degree and business. Law is if you really love to study and go by the book and you can really focus and you don't have an attention kind of problem, law is for you. However, if you are kind of distracted, you like to put things in your own word, give it a little bit of your own flavor, you get distracted pretty easily, then, you know, studying business is your way. Okay, I enjoy a lot of legal issues and affairs for that matter. See, when you're young, you'd enjoy a lot of things. When I was 17, I was a different guy. When I was 27, I was different. When I was 37, I was different. Now at 42, I'm totally different. I was not born with a fascination for tattoos. I was not born with that. Okay, so people change. So you might enjoy legal issues today. You might enjoy women tomorrow. You might enjoy power after another 5 years. Then you might enjoy money, and after another 5 years, and after another 5 years, you might love being with your family. So it's a cycle. So what you like at 17, don't expect you to like the same thing at 27. Okay, so you like legal issues. Well, maybe because your daddy, mummy is taking care of the bills and you can focus on other things. I'm just saying possibility, or maybe you're born to be a lawyer. However, remember, you change. Everyone changes. People change. When you're 17, when you're 7, you are different. When you're 17, you're different. 27, you'll be different. Okay? I have always employed a business-oriented mind and constantly found myself also enjoying business topics. Now, let me make you understand one thing. You have employed a business-oriented mind. That's your belief. If you really want to know where do you stand in the business world, it's very simple. Without your daddy's help, without your mummy's help, without anybody's help, how much money have you managed to earn by yourself? That means zero capital from anyone, zero help from anyone. You started off working from the ground, literally, where you're selling maybe newspapers or pennies, From there you built brick by brick and you made money. So if you have, let's say, now at 17, obviously I don't expect you to have, but if you have $100,000 in the bank account, which you have earned by yourself, net profit, without your father's help, without mother's help, without anybody's influence, let's say going to a different country, doing by yourself, you're a businessman. You think like a businessman. But if you assume you have a business mind because of daddy's comfort and all, that's all bullshit. Okay, so don't compliment yourself as an entrepreneur, business-oriented mind. That's your assumption. Okay, you enjoy business topics. That's a hobby. That's okay. I'm currently hoping to either study United States or UAE. Please go to United States. I value your advice as much as it's tremendously helped me. Because I discovered you from QUORA, now through Medium, YouTube, WhatsApp group, etc. Okay. If you're going to ask me, go to United States, go to a country that would give you citizenship. It's not necessarily United States, but go to a country that gives you citizenship. Otherwise, you're making a big mistake. Okay. Through your guidance and counseling, I believe I can make the right decision. So here's the thing. What I'd suggest you to do is, number one, go to a country that gives you citizenship. Having a white man's passport is much more powerful than having any other passport. That's number one. Opens a lot of doors. You can get visa on arrival. A lot of freedom. Second one is go through a university that is tremendously having a powerful brand. An Ivy League is always the name of the game. And between business and law, if you are the type that likes to follow protocol, likes to follow rules, likes to work in the corporate world with a formal setting, have a stiff upper lip and, be like the suited guy with suited people being, hi, morning man, how are you? And try to be that formal kind of thing. Get into law because that will suit you. And after that, I would say secondly, try for business. But then again, if you do get into business, remember, it's once again formal because you can get into banking or accountancy or marketing or something specific. But remember, a law, in terms of law, it's much more specialized, much more recognized. However, you would be within that country where you would really have to set up. And end of the day, if after being a lawyer working for an agency, if you want to create your own business, well, that is where the business mindset would come. So I would say, given what you've written, the way you've described, I would say become a lawyer if you like to study, if you like the formal environment, the corporate world, and from after being a lawyer, then set up your law firm. So you then implement a business aspect of your personality, and then you become a full-fledged businessman and lawyer. So that is what I'd suggest you. And yeah, I would say long-term that would really help because you specialize in something. You can be the best at it. And not everyone can be a lawyer. Remember, anyone can start a business, but not everyone can start a law firm. So that will be your specialization. So I hope this adds value to what you expected. You're lucky. You're a real lucky fucker that others are to charge you money for this. So do like the video, share it. Support the channel. Always helps. So you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Didn't like it, thumbs down. And put your comments. And this is me signing off for now. Take care, guys. You want to get in touch with me, loy@machedo.com. And if I feel I want to answer it and you're part of my group, I will. Take care.